This week in your Fort Bend County Commissioner's Court, the court kicked off with monthly shout-outs that included acknowledging the good works done by the Meadows Place Public Works team, who demonstrated the community's commitment to ecological initiatives by transporting 40 Christmas trees to Surfside for beach erosion control. In Missouri City, Brandon Harris has been appointed as the new Chief of Police. Next, Fort Bend ISD Small Business Enterprise Program Coordinator Jeanette Boleware was named the 2024 Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Advocate of the Year by the Houston Minority Business Development Agency Business Center. And the Fulshear High School Chargers cheer team secured their first ever state title at the UIL Spirit State Championship. Congratulations. In announcements, in honor of Black History Month, the Office of Fort Bend County Judge K.P. George and the NAACP Missouri City and Vicinity Branch will host the inaugural Black History Gumbo Cook-Off and Vendor Market. This exciting event will take place at the historic Fort Bend County Courthouse Courtyard on Saturday, February 3rd from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. It will feature over 30 vendors, entertainment, and gumbo competitors. This event is free and open to the public. Agenda Item 5, Public Hearing. The Commissioner's Court heard public comments about the creation of the Fort Bend County Emergency Service District Number 10. Following public comment, the Court approved the consent agenda items 6 through 21. Item 22B, the Court approved the petition for an emergency services district seeking to create Fort Bend County Emergency Service District Number 10 in Precinct 2 as authorized in the Texas Health and Safety Code, Section 775.017. Emergency District Number 10 will include territory in the municipal and corporate boundaries and the extraterritorial jurisdiction of the Village of Fairchilds. Item 30 from Economic Development. The Court approved the appointment of Cinda Frost, Adam Earl, David Savage, Morgan Stagg, and John Bastorus as directors for the Fort Bend County Tax Increment Reinvestment Zone Number 3. This zone was created to promote the development or redevelopment of the area generally located in the eastern area of the county. Item 31A from the Elections Administration. The Court approved early voting locations for the March 5th, 2024 joint primary election. Item 31B. Ask the Court to take all appropriate action to order an election to confirm the creation of Fort Bend County Emergency Services District Number 10 in Precinct 2 and authorize the imposition of a tax not to exceed the rate allowed by Section 48E, Article 3 of the Texas Constitution as authorized by the Texas Health and Safety Code, Section 775.018. Paving the way for the measure to be on the May 4th, 2024 election ballot, which is the next uniform election date under Chapter 41 of the Texas Election Code. From Human Resources, item number 36A on the revision to the Employee Information Manual to adopt Policy 715, paid parental leave, which will allow the county to provide up to 6 weeks of paid parental leave to eligible employees to bond and care for a child after the birth, adoption, or placement of a child for adoption. Eligible employees will receive up to 3 weeks of PPL in the event of pregnancy, birth-related medical conditions. The measure passed the court and is waiting for final approval from the county attorney's office. And with that, we conclude your Commissioner's Court update for this week. Stay informed, stay engaged. Until next time, Commissioner's Court is scheduled to meet bi-weekly. The next court will be held on February 6th at 1 p.m. on the second floor of the historic Fort Bend County Courthouse in Richmond, Texas.